The query and generate design and diagram generation action can support the export and import dialog configurations. User can now save and reuse commonly used configuration in order to quickly populate the dialog, providing a significant productive improvements where the same action is performed several times, such as in case of multiple design generation. As you can see, the query and generate design panel is open, and the two buttons are available on the top right corner below the close button, that is import configuration and the export configuration button. So these are the few inputs and options I have selected in the query and generate design. Now I want to export these configuration using export. Let's see the file generated at the location. So this is a file automotive generative query underscore query and generate design.json. Now the export is successful. Now I'm going to use the import configuration option and import the previously exported file. And once I click the load button, all the tabs will be generated using the JSON file and it will be filled. So as you can see, the previously selected designs are available now. Using the exported configuration file, this has been automatically populated. So let's see how this works when we open it on a different project. Now I'm going to import the configuration file that previously exported. Once I hit the load button, this is having a message saying that imported configuration file is partly restored, and any discrepancy when importing is recorded in the log file, and the link is provided in the main output tab. Let's see what is the data that is not restored in the log file. As you can see, under the scope tab, these are the three designs which were unable to be restored there. Under the design tab, these are the attributes which were unable to restore.